Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, I'm going to solve another problem on BFE.dev. It's called a number sequence. Okay, it's 1 to 1 on BFE.dev. So here's the sequence. The first number is 1. The second one is 1, 1, since previous number has 1, 1. The third number is 2, 1, since previous number has 2 1s. Okay, so the number is generated by counting the previous number, right? So previous number is 1, there is 1, 1, so 1, 1. And for 1, 1, there's 2, 1, so 2, 1. And for 2, 1, there'll be 1, 2, and 1, 1, so 1, 2, 1, 1. And then for 1, 2, 1, 1, there will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. And then 3, so for this one is 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. I think I've done some similar question before. It's called, let me search for it. It's called, what it is, compress, I think? Oh yeah, compress 97. I've also recorded a video for this, so we can compress a string by replacing repeating the letters with only one letter and the count, like AAA, BBA would be A3, B2, A. So we could do something similar, I think. Let's return to this problem. It's a number sequence. Okay. So we need to create a method called getNthNum to return the nth number. Let's do it. So the idea, I don't know whether there is some nice tricky algorithm. I don't know. My naive solution would be just do the iteration over and over again. Okay, so let's use a mutable variable called num. The initial would be 1, right? So okay. So I will create another method called transform. Get a number. I will count it and return a new one, right? So to count it, I will do something like 97. If you're interested, please search on my channel. There will be a detailed explanation for that. So the idea would be keep track of previous current digits and also the count of it. When we meet something different, we will flush it. So let's say the current digit would be initial would be empty, and let current count it will be 0, and for we loop through the number because it's in string format. So here we will not stop at the last digit, but the one beyond it to trigger this flush, right? So smaller equal to num and then plus 1. When we loop through the digits, there will be two possibilities. The first one, it's same as before. If it's the same as before, which is current digit, then we just update the count. If not, we need to update it, right? Update the current count is 1. Current digit would be this new one. New digit, and also we need to flush the count of the previous one, digits and count, into the final result. So let's create a result. It's empty string. We need to plus it, plus with first we need to count, right? Yeah, we plus the count, and then plus a current count, and plus a current digit. This is it. This is transform, and we could just just keep transform the number over and over again. And we need to, so n starts from 1, so the first one is 1, we do nothing, so we stop when n is 1, right? So we will keep transforming. So num equals transform num. Maybe I will move this function outside of this one. It's better, I think. Cool. So we transform it, and for 1, n equals 1, we do nothing. For 2, we iterate once, right? Cool. So finally we return the num. Okay. Let's try to run it. There's something run length of undefined. Yeah. Type error cannot read proper length. Where do we use the length? We only use to here. Ah, okay, I'm sorry, here. Is equal, so it should be length. Ooh. 5. This is string. Result is empty. Count. Digit. Undefined. I forgot to return it. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Okay. I made a mistake. Expect 11121, but okay. Get to this. So the yeah, the initial one is empty, so I made a mistake of flushing it. I need to say there should be an if clause here, so we only append this to if the count is bigger than 0, right? To avoid the initial one. Okay. Oh yeah, finally. Well, I made 2 mistakes. First about the length, and then I forgot to return it. And the last one is the initial case. Not very good. I submitted, posted. If you're interested, please search on my my solution here. It's on the discussion tab. Okay. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.